In today's video, I'll show you a website that you can use to make big money online in passive income. It is absolutely free and also accessible from all around the world, so anyone can join. Even if you are a beginner who have never made money online before. You just need to keep watching till the end of this video if you want to get every step right and also the desired results. And stay tuned to learn how to set it up on autopilot. But just before we start, as always, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And the very first platform that I want to give you is this one here called Sellix. This is over at sellix.com. Right off the bat, the first thing that you're going to see over here is that this platform is used to accelerate your Amazon PPC, so you can grow your Amazon sales with the best of both worlds. And they explain more about it, how it works and so on. You're going to see here that you can analyze your product and also you can start a 7-day free trial, which is pretty good actually. They offer some other features down here. You're going to see that Amazon advertising is complex and they are here to change that. You can save time with Sellix, smart campaigns. They offer competitive intelligence and personal guiding force. You can accelerate your PPC with a robust organic foundation. So this is like a platform that is going to help all Amazon sellers in order to grow their sales. They can build their own automation rules and also they can power your growth based on industry leading expertise. So the thing is that today you are not going to be on Amazon seller and you're not going to use this platform in order to grow your sales on Amazon. You are here in order to make money actually, not to spend money. I'm going to show you something else on how you can do that with this platform. But first of all, I want to show you that this platform is featured in big companies like Forbes, CNBC, HuffPost and so on and so forth, which shows that this is like a very powerful platform that people love and are using in order to grow their sales. So what I want you to do is to just scroll all the way down till the bottom of this page and then you need to click on affiliates under About Us, because today we are going to promote Sellix as an affiliate. And it's going to take you over to this page over here where you see that this is like the fastest growing affiliate program in the industry. You can partner up with Sellix and you can get paid for giving your audience the tools and insights they need to succeed on Amazon. So you're going to just refer Amazon to people that are going to be interested in using this platform, and you're going to get paid in passive income. Why becoming a Sellix affiliate? As you can see, and I want to repeat once again that Sellix is a leading Amazon all-in-one software solution that helps sellers and brands on Amazon to grow their business. So you're going to see over here that they offer unlimited earnings. You can even make like up to $2,000 every week, as it says right here, which is huge actually, and it's a lot of money. Your success is also their success, so there are no limits. So you have a potential to make a lot of money with this platform, and also it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this. They offer a commission for every free report. They offer special deals. You can get personalized codes and deals for your audience. You can get paid immediately. The payout will be processed immediately after it's reviewed, and you're going to get paid in dollars to your PayPal account. So they offer PayPal as a payment method, which is pretty good actually. You're going to see over here some other features regarding you as an affiliate here on Sellix, and what I want you to do is to, of course, click on apply now so you can create your account for absolutely free. You're going to put like some information, your full name, phone number, email address, your city, your country, and so on and so forth, your website URL or YouTube or TikTok. So you're going to put like your Facebook account, for example, if you have one, because I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to your link by using your Facebook account. Then you're going to see what applies best for you right here, and then once you click on submit, they are going to review your application and you'll be able then to get your affiliate link. And once you do so, I highly recommend you go over to bit.ly.com. Here at Bit.ly you can shorten your link so they can look more professional, because you want to look professional and you don't want to make it obvious that you are promoting something. All you need to do is to just paste your affiliate link over here and click on shorten, and you're going to get your Bit.ly shorten link. And once you do so, you'll be able to start referring people and you're going to get paid again and again in passive income. I'm going to show you where you can find interested people into that. First of all, let's see also the pricing plans over at Selix. And the thing is that they offer a free one, but also they offer like advertising advisor and also managed services, so people can pay over here like more than $1,000 per month, which means that you can make a lot of money over here, because people are going to buy one of these pricing plans and you can make a lot of money, actually a lot of percentage from these pricing plans. So you can start referring people and getting paid passive income and also big money online. And something that is going to help you a lot is that they offer a free trial. They offer like a 7-day free trial, so people are going to see they offer a free trial, and this is going to make them to trust more in this platform. They are going to see how it works, and once they see that this is like the best platform out there that is going to help them grow their Amazon sales, they're going to use it, and you can make a lot of money, actually, as I told you before. So let me show you the traffic source that you can use, which is over at Facebook, of course. Something that you can do is that you can search for Amazon seller in the search bar, and after that you need to select groups, and it's going to show you a lot of groups actually related to that, and I have like thousands of members. This one here has like 56,000 of members, this one 13,000 of members, and this one here 46, and so on and so forth. So you can find a lot of people actually that are interested in growing their sales over here. The thing is that in these groups and forums, because you can even find forums that are discussing about these things, people discuss about different things related to how to grow their Amazon sales and so on and so forth. And let's take an example. I have opened up the first group, and you're going to see over here that people ask like how to boost their sales. So you're going to reply to them, and you're going to say that you have used a platform, which is going to be Selix, that you have used and it helped you a lot, so they can even benefit from it. And you can mention that they also offer a 7-day free trial. You can mention that this is like the best one out there, and some other features that we saw before over here, and then you're going to just put your Bit.ly link over there. And the thing is that like this, you're going to communicate with people, and it's going to not be obvious that you are promoting something, but rather than that you are communicating and helping with them, so it's going to be very easy like that. So I highly recommend you start this strategy and find a lot of people who are interested in growing their sales on Amazon. You're going to help them and are going to benefit from it, but also you're going to benefit from this because you're going to make money in passive income. With all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel Lady Nemia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.